Hi there, it's JT from JohnTatterSoul.com and welcome to my monthly income system review. So here I am inside of the members area of monthly income system. And in this video, I'm going to let you know exactly what's included in this easy system for getting started with making money online. In a nutshell, this is another high quality training product taught by over the shoulder and step-by-step videos by Dawud Islam and Kent Brosser. This is a deceptively simple system that is going to show you how you can make your first money through affiliate commissions online using free tools and methods. If you do what only around about 5% of people actually do, which is to complete the training, master it and then apply it, then you will be able to get started even if you know absolutely nothing at all about affiliate marketing. This is a training program that uses a free-to-use website called Affiliate Wealth Maximizers to promote 5 recommended products using just one link. 2 methods are recommended, an easy route and a second more in-depth route using a more focused approach, and the goal is to earn commissions using these 5 methods that are all aimed to drive free traffic. So if you want to gain financial independence, ongoing recurring commission sales and develop an online business that will set you up for years to come, then Monthly Income System will help you achieve this. Now I've also put together a solid bundle of unique complimentary bonuses for those of you that would like to pick this up through my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on the link below, it will also bring you through to my bonus page, which is right here. Okay, so here I am on the bonus page. I just want to point out that the bonuses are on a timer, which means that they will come down at 11:59 p.m. EST on Tuesday, April the 27th. So what is Monthly Income System? So it's how you can earn every single month with a new, never seen before monthly income system with no experience, no email list, no technical skills required, so that you make money every month with this system. And all you need to do to pick it up, if you want to pick it up through my link, is click on one of these yellow buttons here. So it's a monthly system which is saturation proof. It'll produce results month by month and will even continue to produce results from years from now. Unlike other systems, it's been battle tested, it's refined and it's been completely rebuilt before being released to the market. They've done all the heavy lifting for you. All of the products work just as well in 12 months time, and you'll still get full support at least for 1 year after launch, not 1 day after launch. So I quickly want to go through the front end and the upsells. So the income system is $12.95, $9.95. If you click away from the page, you'll get a discount coupon of $3, so that might be worth thinking about. And for that, you get the powerful monthly income system software and training modules. Upsell number 1 is the Pro version at $37, where you get additional training, advanced tactics, and you get access to more tools and methods to be able to use. Upsell number 2, which is the Executive Club at $37, you can put yourself ahead of the marketing game. You get notified at least a week before the launches of any new releases by Dawud. You'll also get a review copy included in that, and you'll also get guaranteed approval if you want to promote that product yourself. You'll even get commissions on the front end. Upsell number 3 at $37 is where you can get reseller rights to the monthly income system, so you could sell it as if it were your own product. Upsell number 4, which is Total Traffic Fix at $197. This is where you get done for you setup squeeze pages. You can send 10 super solo ads to all the members of 25 of Dawud's own membership sites in the Make Money Online niche. Plus, you can also place your banner permanently on his 25 sites and get free VIP upgrades. So that's certainly worth thinking about. Now, some key benefits that you might be interested in getting. You can earn money every month. The programs included in the training are all free to join and promote. It enables you to build your list. You get repeat monthly commissions. It's friendly for new people to affiliate marketing. Easy to follow video tutorials. You can set it up quickly and you get squeeze pages provided. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee that goes with it. So remember, all you need to do is click on one of these yellow buttons in order to pick this up. So I quickly want to go through the 4 bonuses that I put together here. So the first one is how you can monetize your monthly income system. So this is a full-blown training program which enables you to be able to monetize your monthly income system and take you beyond the training that's provided by Dawud. Bonus number 2 is how you can master YouTube, because one of the things you might want to do further down the line is actually develop an authority site on YouTube. And this is a full-blown course by Jonas Lindgren, which shows you how to master YouTube. And more importantly, if you're frightened of putting your face on camera, it does the training that tells you how to overcome that fear. So that's worth having. Bonus number 3 is how you can use advanced email list building strategies in order so that you can build on monthly income system and the training that's been shown to you. And bonus number 4 is another full-blown course by Brendan Mace and John Armstrong, which is how to then tap into big ticket or big program affiliate commissions worth over $1,000 a pop. So that's another full-blown training course. And then obviously on top of that, you get the free bonus package that's included with Dawood's promotion, and I'll take you through that when I go through the sales page. So reminder, all you need to do is click on this yellow button. That will access, you'll be able to access the sales pages and then order this if you want to get it from my link. If you've never used Warrior Plus before, you'll need to make an account in order that you can access the purchase, which you do when you sign in, and you click on this green button here. And in order to get my bonuses, all you need to do is sign into Warrior Plus and then click on this blue button here, and then you'll have access to the 4 bonuses that I've just explained to you. So I'll quickly take you through the sales page, and then I'll give you another look at the members area and take you through that in a bit more detail. So here we are on the sales page. I just quickly want to take you through this. I'm not going to spend too much time on here because obviously you can peruse this in your own time if you decide to click on one of the yellow buttons on my page before you purchase, if that's what you choose to do. There is an introductory video here by Dawood explaining what the whole of the system is about and welcoming you to the process. I covered all of these points here in the bonus page. I'm not going to go through those again. Just a reminder, this is $12.95, 3 simple steps to set up. Some evidence of income there. This is an image of Dawood, and also, so Dawood, just to remind you, is a very experienced online marketer, top 5% of marketer and affiliate, whereas Kent is one of his students. So I think this is his first joint venture in terms of launch with Dawood. What I really want to do is scroll down and take you through the bonuses that Dawood has put together here, just to give you a feel for what you would be getting for free if you pick this up. So I'm not going to spend any time on there. These have already gone through on the bonus page. Some evidence of income there. They're a bit dated. That's July 2020, but I do know that Dawood has been launching products on a regular basis, so his income's probably continuing at that sort of level. Where are the bonuses? Right, bonus number 1. Live training with an A7 super affiliate. And that will be either John Thornhill or John Armstrong probably, but there is a training opportunity there. Exclusive Facebook group purely for monthly income system. And I have to say, that is where a lot of value is really picked up in the Facebook groups. In the Facebook groups that are active and proactive, people help and support each other out, and you can often find solutions to queries or answers that you might think, well, that's a really stupid question to ask, but there is no losing of face in the Facebook groups. Everybody's there to help everybody else, and you can often find the answer from other people who've been through the same process you're going through. Bonus number 3 is a massive product bundle. You get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers. So that's worth having for the $12.95 just alone. And then you've got the reseller rights to 20 of Dawood's previous products. Again worth $12.95, in excess of that. We've actually got a price value of that of $397. And then bonus number 5. Dedicated customer support 24/7 from the top team and value $497. And just to remind you, there's no risk with this. There's a 30-day money back guarantee. So that's just a quick run through the sales page. I'm now just going to flip back into the members area quickly and just give you a bit of a feel for what the interface is like. Okay, so here I am on the monthly income members area, and I just quickly want to take you through this so you can get a bit of a feel for what's included in this and whether this is the right program for you. So there is a welcome video here from Dawood and Kent. So two separate videos, Dawood first followed by Kent, and there is the opportunity to join the 100k per month free training with the 7-figure affiliate. You get the opportunity also to become a member of the Elite Tigers group, which is one of Dawood's private groups, and then you've got the Elite Tigers group Facebook group. So that is the right hand side. And often with these training programs, I'm not sure if this is a ClickFunnels one. Yes, it is. With ClickFunnels, the layout is generally the same. So you've got a couple of videos, or one video on the right hand side, and the left hand side is then the interface and the structure of the course is listed down here. So welcome video, which is this first bit. Each time you complete a unit, you get a tick against it, so you know that you've been through the units, so you don't lose track of where you've been. If you go on to the overview, there is then an overview of what the monthly income system is all about, and then the main training section itself actually covers an introduction to the training, joining the core website, and then there is the easy method. And there are 5 promotions within the easy method. So promotion number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then a training section on how to promote each of those 5 promotions. You've then got a resource section which gives you an opportunity to access special squeeze pages and also regular squeeze pages. You've then got a conclusion, and then there is the bonus section in terms of how you access your monthly income system bonuses. And then you've got the opportunity to pick up any of the upgrades that you might want to pick up if you only initially buy the front end, and you then decide to actually upgrade. You can pick those up from there. And then there is a special, well, in fact there's a number of them, special unadvertised bonuses from a number of top affiliates down this left hand side here. There's a caveat on that, of course, and the idea is that you get the free course, but in order to get the free course you then sign up for it, and you'll probably then find yourself on the email listing for that particular person, and you get opportunity then to purchase other goods from those people. So just bear that in mind. So that's just a quick run through of the members area. It's quite straightforward. Don't be put off by the fact it doesn't look like there's a lot of content in there. It's more around the quality of the content than the volume, and I can testify that the quality of each of these units and what they're showing you, if you follow the steps, and more importantly do something about it, in other words put it into action and work your way systematically through it, then there is no reason why you can't meet the income goals that they stipulate is possible as a result of picking this up. So I'm just going to conclude now, and I'll wrap this up. So this brings me to the end of my review of the monthly income system. Even with just the front end, you'll be able to make a solid start in generating affiliate commissions. Monthly income system covers everything in it that you could possibly need in order to make your first money and commissions online. The training content is user-friendly and easy to understand and use, and the whole process is set it up is not complicated. So what are the downsides? Well, I cannot really see any, as this is a tried and tested method that you can implement with no money. If there is a downside, then it is really a starter process just to really get you going. To gather real momentum, then like any other business, you need to spend some time and invest more money in order to scale and grow. There is another factor, of course, which affects all of us shiny object addicts, and that is staying focused and to systematically work through the modules and don't skip any steps. Most important of all, actually implement the steps. The real value of monthly income systems is that it'll help you address the real breakthrough point in internet marketing, which is actually making a start somewhere. Now, to really drive organic traffic at some point, you're going to need a website. Now, I've been given access to arguably one of the top SEO specialists in the affiliate marketing world, and I'm able to share at no cost to you his high-end website creation training blueprint. And this is for anyone who purchases just one of the OTOs within monthly income system. This is a high-end, full-blown training course on how to build a fully optimized website from scratch. And as well as that, you also get to build your social media sites. So if you're serious about making a living online, then a quick loading, functional and monetized website is a must-have. All you need to do is send me a screenshot of your monthly income system OTO purchase receipt from Warrior Plus, and I will send you the bonus access details. And I've created a link especially for that down below. So there we have it. Go ahead and check out my bonuses, and feel free to come back to my bonuses once you've checked out what other monthly income system reviewers are offering in terms of their bonuses. I hope that you found this review of monthly income system useful, and that I've helped you make an informed decision on whether to invest in it or not. So if you decide to purchase it, then pick this up via my link below, and please do not forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button if you want to see my future reviews. Hitting the bell will also notify you when I release the next one. All it leaves me to say is thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I wish you every success in your affiliate marketing journey. Stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one. All the best for now. Bye.